In this video, I will show you how to block and unblock someone in TikTok. So the steps are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, let's say I want to block this person and unblock him. So just open the person profile like this and tap on this three dot at the top right side. So tap on this block option. So now tap on this confirm. Now as you can see, now I block this person on my TikTok account. So if you want to unblock him, all you have to do now, tap on this menu me at the bottom right side, open up your profile. After you open up your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side, this three dot. So now go to privacy. So under this privacy, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down, last option, and tap on this block contacts. Tap on it. After you open up the block contact, now you can be able now to see the list of the people that you block on your TikTok account. To unblock the person, all you have to do now, tap on this unblock section beside the person name unblock. So as you can see now here it says unblock. So tap on this unblock again. Unblock again. So as you can see now, I unblock these three people that I block on my TikTok account. So now I can be able to see everything about this TikTok account on my TikTok account. That's it guys on how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.